So well, today's topic is very close to my heart. Being into the world of technology, I've always been into the spiritual side first. And the spiritual side is taking over on me right now. And that is why I would like to present the topic on metaverse, consciousness, and the mental health. We all have been experiencing the effects of post-pandemic era, is it not so? So who all is experiencing stress? क्या लगता है? Can you guys just raise the hand if you go through stress, overthinking, overwhelmingness? शायद से thoughts manage नहीं होते, right? So today is the topic devoted to that, and I would like to launch India's first sound meditation metaverse as well. Great, thank you so much. So this is going to be a conscious journey divided into 3 segments, exploring the nature of spirituality, how the metaverse and consciousness can coexist, and what's the mental well-being aspect in the metaverse. The use cases through my metaverse can be explored for mental wellness. Now I would like you to ask the question कि आप अभी mindful हो या mindful हो with a double L, right? Can we close the door at the back? The noise is there, right? So now I would like you to close the eyes. Just be here in this present now. And let's do a mindful check. Try to sense your body and relax the body. Try to sense the different sounds you're listening to. Maybe the sound of the noise, the sound of my speaking. Maybe the sensations of your body. The thoughts which are going on. And take 3 deep breaths, shallow deep breaths, right? And while you're breathing out, you can say, now, you can come back to this present now. You can open your eyes. So how was it? A short glimpse. Are you here right now in the room now? Then? Great. Awesome. Now I would like you to, in this inquiry, that who was experiencing this, right? ये जो sensations है body के, thoughts है, या फिर emotions है, who is experiencing this? Is it the body? Is it the mind? Or is it something else? Or is it your consciousness or the soul? What is it? Right? So keep in the entire session, keep on this inquiry within your own self. कि ये सेंस कौन कर रहा है? क्या आपको पता चला कि आप इस 20 साल के हुए, 30 साल के हुए या 40 साल के हुए, आपको पता चला कि कब ये मेरी लाइफ निकल भी गई, right? And this technically happens with all the humans, right? At the deathbed, they understand, oh my God, my life is over. अभी क्या करूँ मैं? And they go into an entire vibration of guilt, right? So now, this is the inquiry process that we are going to experience today. So now, I would like you to, educate what are the real world that we are living on to, right? ये Web3 तो है, Metaverse तो है, but हमारा Metaverse कहाँ पे है? हमारे life का Metaverse कहाँ पे है? Right? So 74% Indians are suffering from stress, acute stress, 88% from anxiety, a report from TCOH Delhi. And these are real figures. It is estimated that 1 out of 3 Indians are suffering from depression, right? This is a WHO number. And 75% of the employees, so you guys are going to be maybe the change makers, company owners, or maybe employees at various organizations. So burnout hai, and there are various senior experts here, professionals who can definitely say yes, बहुत burnout होता है. During the stress बहुत मतलब COVID के time से बहुत ज़्यादा था. So now it also affects your relationships and other areas of life. Is it not so? अगर stress आपके area में है, life में है, maybe in the job or maybe in the relationships, does it impact your other areas of life? Yes or no? right? Can I hear a loud yes? Right? So now, but at the same time, where the world is going, experiences of stress, worry, anger are at the all new record. So how do we fix this problem, right? What are the real case scenarios that we can implement physically as well as digitally as well as in the metaverse to solve this real case scenario, right? And at the same time there is hope. So सबको मुझे डराना भी नहीं है, right? By saying out these figures, I might have shooted up your cortisol or stress hormone. But people are finding, they are willing to find happiness, well-being and satisfaction in their life. आप भी आज इधर वही आए हो ना? Maybe the satisfaction in your knowledge to gain some wisdom from the experts, right? So let us experience some calmness, right? अभी जो stress आपको दिया है, so just by listening these sounds, we go into a deep state of relaxation. And these are all digital sounds, but yet they are giving us a feeling of reassurance, safety and calmness. Is it not so? तभी birds chirp करते हैं. What does it mean? It's safety, right? And when they are not, again a fear is there. And that's the power of sound and music which I spoke about yesterday. Now, do you have permission to share about my journey in few words? Right? So, well, I call myself as a mindful marketer, a conscious business consultant on a mission to create brands that matter, right? I always think myself as a strategist first. I have held number of keynotes, delivering company culture sessions, helping their wellness at these brands, and at the same time designing their sound wellness at their companies, at their workplace, and as well as their personal lives. At the same time, on the spiritual front, I am a musician and a DJ turned into a sound alchemist and a spiritual catalyst. I used to be a DJ, guys. Can you believe that? Right? And I still do the DJing aspect, but not in the entertainment field, but into the enlightened field now. Right? Sounds of silence. पहले लोगों को मैं crazy करता था, अभी लोगों को conscious बना रहा हूँ. Right? And this can be you guys also. The next generation, you guys have to pick this up. कि हम कॉन्शियसनेस को कैसे स्प्रेड करें, हम सोसाइटी को एक नए एलिवेशन की तरफ कैसे लेके जाएं विद द न्यू इनोवेशंस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द इम्पैक्ट हैज़ बीन फीचर्ड हियर एंड देयर. सो दिस वाज माय ब्रीफ जर्नी, राइट? आई हैव डन हियर एंड देयर, बहुत सारे जगह पे नॉइज़ मचाया है, राइट, विद दिस एस्पेक्ट. एंड नाउ आई एम इनटू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, मेटावर्स, डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स एट वाओ लैब्स एंड सोशली. And now today we are going to launch the India's first sound meditation metaverse as well by the end of this session. So now let us begin. Science tells us the nature of the matter, how the matter functions, right? हमारे atomic particle से लेके the biggest particle there is, how does it function? The Newtonian science tells that, but the Einsteinian science talks about the energy and matter. Psychology tells us the function of the mind, how it behaves in the real world, how we respond to situations, right? Stress is very relative. अगर 3-4 years before अगर मुझे बहुत बड़ा कुछ submission होता था, I used to get very stressful. Why? Because I didn't have clarity of thoughts. I didn't have the management of my own emotions and the physicality. But the spirituality tells us the nature of the spirit itself, the nature of connectedness, the nature of consciousness. And it is as if we are trying to create the consciousness in the technological innovations. जो humans को नहीं करना है, that is what we want to do the AI to do the work for us. Is it not so? Recent Tesla launch, they are trying to what? Mimic how a human being would work. So what are we trying to create? Our replication and reflection of the consciousness. So now what is consciousness? For a brief impact, a consciousness and spirituality is a big topic than the technology itself. So consciousness is about everything that we experience. It is about the self-awareness. Now when I am speaking, I know that what I am speaking in the next second. That's the thought I can watch. Can you guys watch your thoughts? नहीं होता है ना ये. So that's the self-awareness. Spirituality is not about religion, it is about creating self-awareness within, about your own body, mind, and the functions associated with it. So consciousness is within each and every one of us. It is in the world and it is in the self as well. It is everything manifested. So now let's decode in our terms. We are all software geeks here, techies and nerds. So there is the universal consciousness, and then there is the software of energy and matter, which is the mind. And then there is the hardware of energy and matter, which is the body, right? So the body, mind, and the consciousness. This is a research where how Advait Vedanta, so it is one of the philosophies we have in our Vedic and Upanishads. So it talks about how this body is correlated with the hardware of energy and matter, and so on and so forth. Who has watched Lucy movie here? Great. So what that movie is trying to explain? By activating the 100% DNA code, by activating the body and the mind, we can reach to that divine consciousness, right? And that was the end scene here. So she could merge with the zeroth field, right? So now that's the correlation between the technology and spirituality and consciousness. Now how do we correlate this in the metaverse, right? Before that, in a brief line, I would like to ask you this question. Do you want to really escape the matrix, guys, and embrace the consciousness? Do you want to take the red pill or the blue pill? Right? Matrix देखा है क्या? Great. So क्या लेना है? उस तरीके से पीपीटी जाएगा. Red या blue pill? Red pill is the truth. So do we want to achieve the truth in life? Okay. Anyways, I had only one function, red पी जाना था. So well, what is metaverse? A metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds. It is as if आज मैं google.com पे जा रहा हूँ. It's like a 2D interaction. But 10 years now, you guys have listened to all the Web3 experts today, right? So 10 years from now, when the industry matures, it is as if I am in the metaverse of Google, which is a 3D spatial network. And I would have the option to use a VR headset or a AR experience or a XR experience, right? But it would be a 3D experience, a world of 3D visualization. And now, I would like you guys to go into this inquiry. What is the world? Because metaverse, Web3 is the future of the next evolution, right? जैसे industry 4.0 का revolution आ रहा है, marketing 5.0 आ रहा है, so Web3 is the next era. So definitely metaverse is going to be the component, one of the components in that. But now, what is the future that we want to create, right? Do we want to go to the utopia or the dystopia? Because dystopia is very real. आपने अभी facts देखे, right? सारे mental health के, and these were just some of the few facts. Million people commit suicide every year. So what kind of metaverse are we really trying to create here on this earth? Earth का metaverse कहाँ पे है? So I would want you guys to answer, utopia or dystopia? क्या करना है? Right. But for the utopia to happen, this is the dystopia, but for the utopia to happen, there are certain things which a society should do from the individual level to the community level. So वो क्या करना है? How do we do this in the metaverse then? By creating self-awareness in every layer of the metaverse. Self-awareness अभी मैंने जो कहा, it is about bringing consciousness, bringing mindful activities in each and every step. It is as if I have been interacting with so many brand managers and marketing managers over the course of time. So what they consider you or me as just the numbers on the Excel sheet, right? That is the reality. आप मेरे लिए customers हो, right? But now as mindful people, as conscious people, we have to think कि आज मैं यहाँ पे आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूँ, आप मेरे लिए consumer नहीं हो, आप मेरे लिए audience नहीं हो, but आप मेरे लिए एक human being हो. I really have a deep compassion and love for you guys, right? And you can experience that while I am speaking. Is it not so? नहीं हो रहा है तो हम meditation में experience करेंगे. But it is about creating the self-awareness and the values of human being into all the layers of the metaverse, right from the experience layer to the infrastructure layer. And then creating mindful spaces instead of mindless spaces. How beautiful is this? In the earlier times, the brands wanted to be very sensuous or very trendy. But now, in the mindful aspect, it is about creating a kinder environment, an environment which is very socially friendly and approachable. And then, at the same time, by cracking the Maslow's pyramid in every layer of your metaverse or your product, how can you enable greatness in your human being? So, आपका जो भी audience है, how can you enable greatness in your audience's eyes? Ultimately, वही करना है ना आपको. If today Fair and Lovely is selling you the product, what are they selling on to? The beauty. They are not selling on the features. So, how do we do that? So, the only way is to evolve our consciousness, and that starts with the inner freedom by removing all the negative vibrations, and that is what I have figured out and kind of translated in the sound meditation metaverse. And well, these dissonances, they cause a lot of imbalance in the mental health, our immunity, our cognition and well-being. So now, are you ready for the experience of sound bath? Right? Awesome. So let's balance our harmonic bioresonance. Who's ready for it? सब नहीं ready तो हम नहीं जाएंगे. I want everyone to raise the hand. Okay, great. Awesome. So now let's deep dive into the sound meditation. Now you can close your eyes and completely relax and double check your phone if it is in silent mode or not. Vibrate mode पे भी ना रखे because it will cause a disturbance. And completely relax. Now you can slowly and gradually take 3 deep breaths. And allow yourself to simply notice what is happening in your environment. What kind of sensations are there in your body? Maybe the sensations of the air, the coldness or the hotness. Maybe the noise, the auditory noise. What kind of thoughts you are going through, right? Just have a mindful check on them and just allow them to pass by without any judgment or filter. Now, just allow these divine sounds to make an impact on you. So how was the experience, guys? So who could go into a deep state? Just raise your hands and you can share that in few words, right? How was the experience? Nice. Great. Sensations at the forehead. Okay, great. Right. What else was there? Who could go into a state of no thinking? Who could go into a deep sleep? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Awesome. What else? You were just about to sleep. Okay, awesome. Has that happened so fast? Right? So this is the power of sound and music, and I speak a lot about sound and vibrations. I spoke that yesterday as well. So now these are different ways the vibrational consciousness affects us at the physiological level, at the psychological level, at the cognition and the emotions, and at the human behavioral level as well. Even the sonic branding. If I were to put a Nirma picture here, we would all start singing the ad, right? Washing powder Nirma. Is it not so? Exactly. So now, but today the topic is about metaverse. So these effects of sound and vibrations are seen physically as well as digitally. And with actual brainwave entrainment, the changes in the nervous system, the changes in the hormonal system and the heartbeat patterns, even the rate in the oxygen level aspect, we can see just before that experience of meditation, We were into anxiety and very conscious what is happening, what is not happening, confused. But now we are calm and relaxed, right? And these are some of the well scientific evidences here and there, different emotions, how they affect us at the body level. Now, how do we really impact this in the metaverse and the digital immersive worlds, right? Here is the report by McKinsey. इसमें से सबको किसको चाहिए? सब चाहिए ये सब. It's a report by McKinsey, by the way, guys. Better health किसको चाहिए? Better fitness, better nutrition, appearance, sleep, mindfulness, and what about better money? अरे हाथ किसने नहीं रेस किया, guys? Okay, that McKinsey left out. I don't know why, but anyways, now how do we enable greatness again in the community and in the metaverse? By creating mindful metaverses, by creating better vibrations leading to better mindful metaverse leading to better responsible individuals, and these individuals creating responsible communities and then leading to better well-being, right? And now I would like to launch, right, all the camera guys, kahan pe ho? I would like to launch India's first sound meditation metaverse. So where are all the folks, production folks? So I have created a fantastic trailer, and in this Resonance Living metaverse, there are two scenes. So the main aspect for the phase 1 is for educating the people, educating the audience on how sound healing and the different mindful metaverses can impact us digitally. And then there is the second scene in which you can meditate. How cool is that, right? And there are already several use cases across different communities where you can meditate digitally. So someone can help me with my phone for my photos as well. Thank you so much. So now I am launching the trailer for the first time here. Are you excited? Woo! Well, that's about some of the use cases that we can explore in the metaverse for mental wellness. Ability to connect with a professional, with a therapist, psychology and behavioral based therapy consultation and gamification inside the metaverse, a conscious community to seek support. आपके डेवलपर्स जर्नी में या फिर आपके एजुकेशन जर्नी में आपको कितना टाइम मतलब फील हुआ है कि मैं अकेला हूँ? कितना टाइम हुआ है ऐसा फील होता है? Or else in your own personal journey of mental health and emotional health, see all the guys, यहाँ पे हम सब लोग trauma से जाते हैं, है कि नहीं? The men as well as the ladies, it is universal, it is not gender specific. I've been through my own journey of struggles. ये मैं आज यहाँ पे stage पे खड़ा हूँ. Why? Because I seek support from my mentors. I went ahead and sought support from my peers. That is why I could stand here. Right? So now there are also spiritual case studies, meditation, mindfulness and yogic activities, spiritual insights and discourses inside the metaverse, and at the same time faith-based programs. So well, there are a couple of churches already which are doing their virtual sessions back from 2016, right? But this can happen now. Imagine your grandma who is not able to travel to Kashi. India is a very emotional country, right? We think with the heart, we also feel with the heart, right? And also we act with the heart. How cool is that, guys? Cheers for our India. We are blessed. You know, I'll tell you, there is a specific a verse in a scripture. वो कहता है कि अगर आप इंडिया के कॉन्टिनेंट में, कैन वी हैव अ साइलेंस फॉर 2 minutes गाइज, आई एम रैपिंग दिस अप. तो वहाँ पे एक स्पेसिफिक स्क्रिप्चर है जो बताता है कि अगर आप इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट में बॉर्न हुए हो, यू आर रियली ब्लेस्ड. आपके कार्मिक इम्प्रिंट्स बहुत रिफाइंड है. बट नाउ इट इज़ आवर मिशन. हमारे इस ऑडियंस का मिशन होना चाहिए कि हाउ कैन वी मेक इंडिया ग्रेट अगेन. Because India was the ruling economy, it was the golden age back in 18th to 16th century. It was the knowledge hub, the spiritual hub, the financial hub. So how can we make India great again? यहाँ से हम यूनिकॉर्न बनाते हैं कहाँ पे? बाहर के देशों के लिए, right? How can we bring that back again? That has to be the mission for you all guys. डेवलपर सिर्फ बनना नहीं है आपको, right? Of course there are many challenges. We might have heard in the recent panel कि time लगता है, time तो सबके लिए लगता है, but you know this mission has to be there and this mission will take you ahead. क्योंकि फिर आप खुद के लिए नहीं सोच रहे हो ना, फिर you are thinking a bigger mission and vision. So that mission and vision will take flight for your career. And then our life's purpose should be कहाँ पे? पैसा चाहिए, happiness चाहिए, but actually हम कहाँ पे जाते हैं? Right. But now you guys should be consciously aware that in my personal life I have never sought behind the money. It is always my third objective or fourth objective, right? But that has led me to this path, and well, our intention should be for Sat Chit Ananda, which is the truth, consciousness and bliss. So अगर हमें blissful life चाहिए, हमें happiness की तरफ जाना है, हमें truthfulness की तरफ जाना है, right? And that will lead you to true success and abundance. And these are some of the you know developers है, computer geeks है यहाँ पे. हम exercise नहीं करते, हम बाहर नहीं जाते, हम meditate नहीं करते. So these are some of the 9 things which you can take away from today and implement in your lifestyle, along with the digital metaverse experience as well. So breathing exercises है, yogic exercises है, move your body, connect with the nature, right? Have a brief amount of distraction in your life. Get still, you know, meditate, and so on and so forth, right? And at the same time, ending with this note, you are not alone. Agar you are actually going through a mental issue, emotional issue, right? It's a great stigma in India कि लोग communicate नहीं करते. But you know, seek support from your organizations, from your mentors, from your universities, from your teachers, from your parents also, right? So that's about it. So please take away valuable takeaways from this, you know, insights, and act upon something. And if you loved this session, do connect me with on LinkedIn, give a feedback there, and thank you for the time. You can tag me on social media @AdvaitDanke. And this is the Metaverse QR code for my Linktree, and the first link will lead you to the Mindful Metaverse inside Spatial. And I hope you guys enjoyed this session, right? So the goal is to become conscious. The goal is to become more aware. I hope you guys will take away that. Awesome.